lie down with your lower back locked down on the mat with your knees bent at 90 degrees directly above your hips. Keep your hands behind the head. Inhale and tuck your chin in. Exhale, crunch up from your shoulders. Get into a plank position on your elbows. Keep your tailbone tucked in, abs tight and shoulders pushing the floor. The entire body must be engaged. Lie on your back, keeping your arms overhead. Your lower back must be flat on the floor and your legs straight up to the ceiling. Exhale. Perform a crunch to reach your toes. Inhale. Come down and go into a plank position. Tuck your knees in towards your chest. Your hips remain parallel to the ground. Alternate your knees. Tuck your right knee into your right elbow and your left knee into your left elbow. Tuck your knee to the opposite elbow and switch sideways. Get into a plank position on your elbow. Inhale here. Exhale. Rotate hips and entire body to go into a side plank on the left forearm and lift the right hand up to the ceiling. Hold here for a moment and keep abs tightened. Inhale here. Exhale. Return to low plank position. Inhale here. Exhale. Rotate entire body to a side plank on the right forearm and lift the left arm up to the ceiling. Repeat. Sit tall on the bench with palms placed next to the hips. Inhale. Grip the edge of the bench, round the upper back slightly. Exhale. Push into the bench and lift the hip up. Engage the abs and squeeze the inner thighs together. Hold here for 20 seconds.